Habari ya Mbale, unasemaje? Unaelewa Kiswahili ama hapana? Unaelewa? Sawa. Mimi wananiita Mhozi Kainerugaba. Niko mwanajeshi.
Ise indo musirikare. Okay. Brother, hello. Masokeli motoka gala gala. Ayo mukamba agende ku side tulinde jeno. Wali babi wono oli ali mu open room kwali. Jana saba. You tell me. Kuna ntiyo. Unaba wakayimirira mtaja nasi kama motoka wati. Tofayo kama gala team tofayo. Ndi wa mmoja. Yeye. Sio alwali Kenneth. Yawa dena yuko bakapcho. Sure. hivyo. Baba baduka jasi. Mzaja mamkuma. Vamos komela sana. Kuti ni tono ona wangu ndio na story yako. No. Kiu.
Bagala kulaba wasitizani, bagala kulaba gamba mugozi, bagala kulaba, bagala kulaba. Ejo petu kimunane, wanyane wachenda kesala, wali wendo wendo enai. Bagala mugozi ngasete.
Habari? Habari ya Mbale? Unasemaje? Unaelewa Kiswahili ama bwana? Unaelewa? Sawa. Mimi wananiita Mhozi Kainerugaba. Niko mwanajeshi.
Ise indo musirikale. Okay.
Na niko kijana kama nyinyi.
Ayamwe ndo musole lingenywe. You can even use English.
English is okay.
You speak English.
So you
I will translate. They are bringing another one, but I will try.
Okay. So I am happy to be here in Mbale.
Ndi musangafu kuba ne Mbale.
We have come from Sebei, from Kapchorwa.
Kwamile Kapchorwa.
We were there yesterday.
Kwabele Sebei.
And we had a very, very big rally there with many.
Kwabele ni kumuholo kumubofu na abiweneyo.
We have passed here now.
Kwabirire hano.
Briefly.
Mubumbi busa kubabonaho busa.
But we are coming back in a few months. We are coming back to have a big rally here. Will you support us? Will the people of Mbale support us? Let me see who don't support. Put up your hands. Thank you very much for turning up in a short time. Thank you for all the love. Let us keep together. Let us work together so that we build our country, we make Uganda a great country.
And
we have organized the lunch for them out there.
Yes, and there is food for you there. There's food. So make sure you eat food before you leave this place. We will have time. We'll meet. We'll have a longer time to interact. But for now, let us conclude the day. You have something to eat. And I will come back again and we'll have more time. Go and start eating. People have gone now. Go and eat some food. Kari.
Mukama asaba amakubo gonna gabeere mirembe naffe Kristo Yesu baayiye omutima n'agamba bagende banoonye eri abavubuka eri abantu. Mukama asaba with wisdom. Mukama asaba wisdom eno ekurukute bukurukuse everywhere mu linnya erya Yesu era wonna n'okimwogeza bwogezi. Leka ebigambo biwumerere ku lulimi lwe ng'omubisi gw'enjuki era buli understanding leka abantu batwale kyabayogedde. Business community from the youth and also I'll be the fourth one. So what we're going to do, we're going to hand over this to you. You'll be able to respond to the issues that will be in those documents. So thank you, Honorable Wanda. Given that General has other commitments, but we take this opportunity to welcome you to Bugisu. And I want to state here that Bugisu was yearning. We thought that we would be given the first, but my brother Fadil and the team whisked you away, but we are happy. Thank you for the work done. You know, you have read many books, I know, and there has been a claim that the first bullet was shot in Ruwero. I want to state that it wasn't. Bugisu was the mother of the revolution. The first bullet was actually shot in Maruhu by His Excellency now, the President, General Kaguta Yoweri Museveni. I will not dwell so much in that, but I want to tell you that it also shows that Bugisu can be the beginning of many things. So you have promised you will come, and we want to inform you that we are very ready. Even if you said you're coming back tomorrow, these people are ready. The entire Bugisu yearned to be here today. But because of the time element and how difficult it is to prepare, we couldn't have them here. It is not my day, and because of time, we shall not talk much. I just want to tell you one thing. General has asked that we work with him as a generation of young people, unite the country, build it, and cause the unity that will build us more. So we are here to inform you, General, that we are ready to work with you. Because the vision is very clear and it's a good vision for this country. As chairperson of Bugisu Parliamentary Group, and also whip of the movement party in Bugisu, on behalf of all my four members of parliament and the leaders of Bugisu, we want to say you are very much welcome. We thank you for the short time we've had in church. I know that time will come when we talk. In the interest of time, allow me, with much humility, invite you, General, to address your friends. You're welcome. Please have a seat. The chairman of the Bugisu MPs, Honorable Wanda, Honorable Mwanda, all the other members of parliament. I see the vicar here with us. Thank you for dressing a small lunch. All the local government
government leaders present, my fellow generals, General Rico Dembe, General Felix Usuzori, members of the business community present, leaders of the MK Army present here, I'm happy for all the functions that we have managed to attend in Ugisu in a short time. Really, this was people were insisting that we pass through here on our way from Sebei. So that's why the timing has been quite an issue, because it was not originally there. It was supposed to go to Sebei and go straight back to Kampala. But nevertheless, this is a good start for us. We shall come back and have a more thorough engagement with more people. I thank the organizing committee led by Honorable Wanda and Don Wanyama and Paul, yes, Paul Zuria, all the people who were part of this organization. I thank them sincerely. I thank the church. I thank the church for welcoming us for prayers today. Your memorandum, I will read through them when I get them and they are handed over to me. I'm sure it's a question of finding out what is being done so far by the government already and just advocating for more. I think it shouldn't be so complicated. If there's already something on the way, we just advocate for more, and I think our voice will be heard. With those few words, I really have to. The lunch should go on. For the lunch to continue, but I'll have to leave because of the means of transport. After a certain time, you can't fly anymore safely. So you'll allow me to leave now, and for the leaders to continue with you in this.
Strictly for activities of the district. We just had to say hello to us, which has already done. We want to appreciate the business community. They will be how it is done. Let's move away for the VIPs to have Next time.